Make a great choice today with the 2026 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.